Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Python tutorial, Counting words in a string. Introduction. Counting words in a string is a common task in text processing and analysis. In Python, you can achieve this easily using built-in functions and string manipulation. In this tutorial, we'll explore different methods to count words in a string with step-by-step explanations and code examples. Method 1, using the split method. The split method in Python is a convenient way to break a string into a list of words. We can then use the len function to count the number of elements in the list, representing the words. Method 2, using a list comprehension and len. We can also use a list comprehension to create a list of words and then use the len function to find the count. Method 3, using the count method for substrings. If we assume that words in the string are separated by spaces, we can use the count method to count the occurrences of spaces and add 1 to get the word count. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we explored 3 methods to count words in a string using Python. Each method has its own advantages, and you can choose the one that best fits your specific requirements. Whether you prefer the simplicity of the split method or the conciseness of the list comprehension, these examples should help you get started with word counting in Python. ChatGPT.